Okay guys, I'm back on a YouTube short, and if you're wondering why I'm being very quiet, it's because I'm watching a bird bath and it is beautiful. And we're going to be seeing if there's going to be any birds in this YouTube short. It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh yeah, and this is attempt 1 to find a bird in here. I think I just saw some birds flying. Whoa! I'm looking around for any birds. All right. So I guess this is it for now. I haven't caught any birds yet, but like it's okay. It's still beautiful. So bye. Maybe in attempt 2, I'll be able to find more birds.